Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today we're looking at one Formula One car opening only. Bburago 143 scale, Aston Martin. I finally found one. Going to open it, put it with my other collection. I did do a video on the Ferraris, Mercedes and Red Bull of the same set. Also have the 22 cars of the premiums in the, I think it's Perez and Leclerc. Let's open this up. Actually, before we open that up, on one end we have Alonso, number 14. On the other end we have Stroll, number 18. There were no Strolls available. I did look. No, I was not going to buy it. Alonso was the only one I was ever planning on buying as an Aston Martin. Now, I couldn't find any of the others that are supposed to be available, but there were some Mercedes, Ferrari and Red Bull still available. I'll see if I got a picture. I think I took one on my phone. I'll pop it up here for you now. But the Aramco Formula One team 143 race diecast metal with plastic parts. Yep, alright, cool. We know how that all works, and it's got a security code as well. Didn't notice. They must have cleared that for me because it didn't beep on the way out. Alright, car looks good. It's all cardboard. Not planning on keeping this case or anything, so it's one Phillips head screw by the looks. What we got? We've got a little fella here. It's in nice and tight. There we go. Actually, I may end up keeping the case, but I'm just certainly not displaying it. Okay, that screw just went somewhere. Not going to display it. Wow, that screw does not want to get picked up. Put it in there, put that aside. Alright, let's go and have a closer look at this. Now, I don't know if it's my camera or the lighting. I'll have to look on the video after, but my camera shows it looking a lot more blue. And it's actually the green that comes across in the correct colour. So, yeah, my casing's not picking up the green as well. Look, Alonso, very happy. Got a bunch of Alonso cars from all his different teams. Winning cars and those that are not as much, but decent detail on this. P0s, Pirellis there, JCBs. Can't realise, sorry, I can't read what that says. Something master. There we go. Aramco, the major sponsor. No driver in these. It's not the premium ones. The premium ones have the drivers. Underneath, Aston Martin AMR 23, and this is 2436 number. I don't know if these are limited to a certain number or what the deal is. But yeah, there were a few of them, but no Lance Stroll, or Lance Stroll, whatever you pronounce him. But I'm glad I got a one of these. I'm going to put this on the turntable, get a closer look at it. Thank you very much for watching. Nice short video for this. Only one car. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.